welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty free, mainly beauty, and we're gonna get into my Ipsy PR unboxings. I have my Ipsy Glam bag. We have a card this month. I know I just did an unboxing last week, but I got mine late, and this, by the way, I don't get to choose the products. So with the Glam bag, it is $13 a month without taxes and everything like that, and I believe shipping. And then it comes with 5 deluxe beauty samples. Sometimes there's full size as well. And then members get to choose one product. Now, since this is sent to me for PR, I don't get to choose anything. It's up to a $70 value. I finally got my little sleeve thing. And then we have, this is the bag. It's almost like a basketball short kind of material. And we have this looks like a Super Shock shadow. This is from Estate Cosmetics. We have gotten products from them before. This literally looks like a Super Shock shadow, doesn't it? And this is in the shade Blast Off. It's a highlighter. Not a highlighter for me, I'll tell you that. Like, it looks like a Super Shock shadow, but that is gonna be way too dark for me. Kind of a weird highlighter. Not exactly. It has a powderiness to it. This would be pretty eyeshadow. Let's see, so. That looks like an eyeshadow to me. I mean, I can try using it as an eyeshadow. It doesn't have that putty consistency like a Super Shock shadow, but anyway, we have that. So that is not a highlighter for me at all. And then we have this eyeliner. It's a double-sided eyeliner. It has like a nude color. I believe that's a black. It's from Formula Z. And I need to make sure this is cruelty-free. It is vegan. Oh, okay. Cruelty-free and vegan. I need to make sure that, I don't know if it's Logical Harmony approved or not. Love that sound. And nude, and the shade Void, and it doesn't say it on there. It just says it on the plastic thing. I'll find out. And then a black. Ooh, it's very inky. Let's see the last on the waterline. But we have the nude and black. And then we have from Benefit. How many Benefit products are we gonna get? Because they're not cruelty free, so I don't use them. This is Hula. Who remembers them? They're not cruelty free, not vegan. I don't know if they're vegan. Oh my god, they have lots of parabens in them, like 3 parabens. No, so don't care. That's gonna be given to somebody. And then we have from Ciate London. We get a lot of Ciate London products. This is their Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. They are vegan, cruelty free, PETA. I don't know if they're Leaping Bunny approved, but they have a little bit of fragrance, but it's down low. Doesn't have anything that really irritates me, which is good. So I will be using this. So little cute mini. And then lastly, we have from Mark Anthony. I believe, so it says PETA, and they're PETA approved and vegan. I believe they're Leaping Bunny, but I will double check. It is their Repair, Bond, and Rescuplex repair and protect leave-in treatment for dry and damaged hair. So it says also apply more as needed for thicker and coarser hair, which I have thicker hair, so I like heat protectant. So that's cute. So that is what we got in that. This little bag also says love for Pride Month. Well, hopefully for Pride Month. So the theme also is this month, give yourself permission to play, whether you're escaping on a summer vacation or exploring a brand new beauty look with mood boosting makeup. Happy hits color. Just remember the world is your playground, so have fun with it. Ready, set, play. And I mean, I'd say that, yeah, it's like worth $13. Let me know what you got in your bag or what you wanted to get in your bag. Let me know what you chose, since I don't get to make my choices. And stay tuned for next month. I also do spoilers. I do daily TikToks, reels, and shorts on the makeup look that I'm wearing. So you're probably gonna see this soon. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.